Did you know that the average engineering student spends over 200 hours a year using hand tools in workshops and labs? Here's a question. Are you using that time to truly master your tools, or just getting by? The difference can define your skill as an engineer, whether you're studying mechanical, electrical, or civil engineering. Hand tools are your first teachers. They bridge the gap between theory and real-world application. In this video, we'll explore the essential hand tools every engineering student must know, and how mastering them can elevate your learning experience. Here is the challenge. Many students jump into projects without understanding which tools are right for the job. They end up with wrong tool choices that damage components, low-quality tools that break easily, or worse, unsafe practices that can lead to accidents. Not knowing your tools doesn't just slow your project, it limits your creativity and precision. That's why understanding the purpose, care, and handling of each hand tool is vital for every engineering student. Let's explore some must-have hand tools and what makes them so valuable. 1. Screwdrivers. For assembling, tightening, and test and choose. Insulated ones, if you work with electronics. 2. Pliers. Needle nose for precision, combination pliers for gripping, and cutting pliers for wires. Each has its role. 3. Wrenches and spanners. Crucial for tightening bolts with accuracy and torque. 4. Hacksaw. Perfect for shaping metal or cutting rods cleanly. 5. Measuring tools, vernier calipers, and measuring tapes ensure precision in every build. 6. Clamps and vices. Keep your workpiece stable because safety and accuracy start with a firm hold. Pro tip. Always keep your tools clean, lubricated, and organized. A well-maintained toolkit is a sign of a professional. If there's one tool that stands out as a game changer, it's the multimeter. I remember a student project where everything seemed perfect until the circuit wouldn't power up. The multimeter revealed a tiny voltage drop that no one had noticed. Fixing it turned a failing project into a top-grade success. That's the power of knowing your tools. They don't just fix problems, they help you understand them. To recap, mastering hand tools like pliers, screwdrivers, wrenches, and multimeters isn't optional, it's essential. These tools shape not just your projects, but your engineering mindset, precision, patience, and problem solving. Now it's your turn. Comment below, what's your favorite hand tool, or the one you struggle with most? And don't forget to check out our next video. Advanced hand tool techniques. Work smarter, not harder.